If you assume your tax dies with you, you need a new tax plan, especially if you're relying on this to avoid tax on foreign assets. Your kids will inherit a tax and banking nightmare. We met a family whose father had passed away, leaving assets in Gibraltar and Jersey. His family assumed, like most people, that anything kept offshore was beyond Ireland's reach, until Revenue rose requesting information on their worldwide affairs. Revenue used international sharing agreements to request full records of assets in both jurisdictions. Within weeks, they had every detail: assets, bank balances, and documentation. The estate was hit with a six-figure tax bill, and beneficiaries had no choice but to sell a trophy asset they'd expected to inherit. Irish banks wouldn't lend on a foreign asset, and foreign banks wouldn't lend to pay off an Irish tax debt. If you have overseas accounts, companies or trusts or property, don't assume that Revenue won't find them. Revenue shares taxpayer information with nearly every major country, including tax havens, and they reciprocate in kind. So, if you're leaving overseas wealth to your family, make sure you're not also leaving them a revenue investigation. For advice on offshore matters, book a consultation with me through the link in my bio or online at taxunwrapped.ie.